A court in Bavaria issued a warning to former international footballer Jerome Boateng on charges of intentional bodily harm and sentenced him to a suspended fine of €200,000. Welcome to Sports Info Extreme. If you're just joining us, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications bell for more videos. On Friday, a regional court in the Bavarian capital, Munich, issued a warning to German World Cup winning soccer star Jerome Boateng over allegations of intentional physical harm against his ex-girlfriend. Boateng, the former Bayern Munich player, received a suspended fine of €200,000, $227,000, which he will only have to pay if he commits another offense. What we know about the case: the proceedings center around allegations of violence made by Boateng's ex-partner, the mother of his 13-year-old twins, during a vacation together in the Caribbean in 2018. This was the third retrial in the case. The president of the court spoke of a toxic relationship between Boateng and his former partner. The prosecution had demanded a fine of €1.12 million, while the defense maintained that the incident in question was nothing more than a quarrel and demanded a more moderate punishment. Boateng denied hitting his ex-partner and throwing a lantern and a cooler bag at her while on vacation. Early in the trial, he spoke of a nightmare, while his lawyer maintained that there was a fabricated story about a wife-beater. In summing up on Friday, Chief Justice Susan Heinrich said that account was not true. A miserable relationship before closing arguments. A mutual acquaintance between Boateng and his ex-girlfriend gave evidence, describing their relationship as emotionally charged and extremely difficult. The man said the couple had a miserable relationship. The court heard that Boateng pushed his ex-girlfriend away to defend himself and that she injured him in the lip. Boateng was found guilty of domestic violence in the case in September 2021 and ordered to pay a fine of €1.8 million, the highest possible financial damages that could be imposed by the local court where he was tried. Boateng's team appealed the ruling. In November 2022, he was ordered to pay €1.2 million to his ex-partner after the assault conviction was upheld. This decision was overturned in a regional court due to legal errors, meaning that the process had to be resumed. The longtime Bayern defender recently moved from Italian club Salernitana to Austrian side Linzer Ask. A Munich court on Friday imposed a suspended fine on former German footballer Jerome Boateng for assaulting his ex-partner. Boateng will only have to pay fines of €200,000, $218,000, if he commits another violation. Presiding Judge Susan Heinrich said, "There is nothing left of the accusation that he is a notorious wife-beater." The public prosecutor demanded a fine of €1.12 million, while the defense asked for a moderate fine due to an altercation between the two parties. Boateng denied hitting his ex-partner and throwing a lantern and a cooler bag at her during their holiday together in 2018. On the first day of the trial, he spoke of a nightmare, and his lawyer said there was a fabricated story about a wife-beater. The court heard that Boateng pushed his ex-girlfriend away and injured him in the lip. "It's a real battle between David and Goliath," Boateng's former partner's lawyer said. The proceedings against the long-serving Bayern Munich defender, who has just moved from Italian club Salernitana to Linzer Ask in Austria, have continued for years. A Munich court initially imposed fines on Boateng, totaling €1.8 million in 2021 and in 2022. A higher court increased the fines to €1.2 million. However, the Bavarian Supreme Court overturned the ruling due to legal errors and the current trial ensued. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Please like, share and subscribe.